Hey folks, I want to do an impromptu video today on, this is my Dirt Devil Ultravision Turbo, and I want to use it today. I could tell the beater was not working properly for whatever reason. So let me turn the camera on. I'll show you what I've done to take it apart and my quick fix for it. All right, so I've disassembled the underneath. This is the piece that pulls out. When I was first trying to turn this, I could tell this would not turn at all. So all I did is in these crevices, the top and the bottom, is I put a few drops of actually a vegetable oil. I wasn't sure what was causing this to freeze up on the inside. There was nothing here to clean up. There's nothing clogging, no yarn, no string. Now it's possible something got down inside. Maybe it's just gotten worn out over time, but now it's spinning really smoothly and I can put this back in. It just saves me from having to buy an expensive vacuum cleaner. So a little vegetable oil on a stuck beater brush. If that works for anybody else, let me know.